Good morning, students. Okay, we are now already geometry part completed. We are going to start probability. Okay, today we will discuss introduction of probability. Probability means like chance. Okay, in that so many will be, for example, coin. Okay, dice. Okay, different types will be playing cards, and what we are playing number of games, that are all are like probability only. Okay, see, for example, here in this introduction we'll discuss here certain. Okay, certain. Okay, certain means what? Certain means, see, something that must occur. Certain means something that must occur. Something that must occur means maximum 99.9% means nearby 100% is happening. Okay, we know, see, for example, August 15 Independence Day celebrations, October 2nd Gandhiji birthday. Okay, next January 26th Republic Day celebrations. These all are 100% happening. These all are 100% happening. And also see, in summer very hot season will be, more than 40 temperature coming. Okay, in winter season automatically very cool will be. These all are certain, means compulsory happening. Okay, compulsory happening. Next, more likely. More likely. More likely. More likely means more chances is there, but not 100%. More chances is there. See, means more than 90%. 100% is not, more than 90%. More likely. For example, we will start our bike. We will start our bike. We will start our car. For starting, more likely saying. More likely saying. Next, we are seeing cricket match. We are seeing cricket match. Maximum 99%, nearby 99% is happening. Maybe only 1 or 2, a little bit chances are there. Maybe rain will fall, that match will cancel. Maximum. Okay, like that happening. 100% is not possible. Like certain. Certain means 100% is happening. More likely means more than 90% is happening, but very little bit, okay, not possible. And next, more likely means something that would occur with great chance, big chance. More likely means big chance will be. We are opening with the key our lock. More likely. More likely. Okay. Next, equally likely. Equally likely. Equally likely. Equally likely means 50-50 chances. Equally likely means 50-50 chances. Okay, 50-50 chances means, for example, we are playing carom board or chess. Okay, these are all are equally likely. And playing toss a coin, may be possible, maybe head, maybe tail. Okay, those are all are equally likely. Next, dice. We are throwing dice. There how many dots or how many will be? 1 to 6, any number possible. Those are all are equally likely. Dice. And the next, coin means, and different types of colors, maybe exhibition, maybe in jataras, Okay, their color will be like wheel will be their colors, numbers also will be, and they are taking money and they are rotating a circle, and one ball is rotating. They will ask any one number, we are saying one number, and that ball is stopping exact number and exact color, they will give twice thrice money also. Okay, like that happening. Those are equally likely. Those are equally likely. Equally likely means something that have the same chance of occurring. Same chance of occurring. We are winning also, that much chances only. We are losing also, that much chances only. That is called equally likely. So here, for doing homework or cricket match, actually maths are given homework, we should do homework, but cricket match is there, 50-50 chances. Okay, you are intelligent means what you will do, you are hard worker means what you will do. First of all, before the match only, complete the work, afterwards happily you should see the cricket match. But some students, they will give the importance for sports. What they will do, homework beside keeping, and they are watching TV. So equally, what they are saying means equally likely. Equally likely means 50-50 chances. 50-50 chances. India Pakistan match will be so many, they are seeing, what they will say means what happening means 50-50 chances. Okay, 50-50 chances, they like that they are saying. Okay, any matches, these are all are any matches, football match or cricket match or tennis or badminton, these are all our matches are equally likely. Equally likely. Next, less likely. Less likely. Less likely. Less likely means some little bit chance, like 20-30% only. This here 50-50 percentage, here 20-30, 35 chances only. Not possible more. Okay, see, something that would occur with less chance, that would some lesser chance. See, for doing homework on the day of cricket match, they are saying for cricket match, very final match is there. Okay, that is for India Pakistan, final match will be, World Cup will be. What they will do, maximum students, what they will do means for doing less likely saying. Less likely saying. And also say something, summer rain falling, some less likely, but happening very little bit rain will be. Maximum their heart is more, but rain falling some less likely. So like 20-35% only. Okay, that is a less likely. Next, impossible. 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 Impossible means not possible. Impossible means not possible. Not possible means something that cannot happen. Something that cannot happen. Say, for example, I want to train is flying like a helicopter. It is possible? No, not possible. Like one fish, it is flying like a bird. Possible? No, it is not a possible. And submarine means under the water will be. A submarine is flying like a missile. No, it is not a possible. A human being is like a bird, means with he is using some parachute, something will be. Without anything, a human being is flying like a bird. It is possible? No, not possible. It is also impossible event. Okay, these are all are events. These events are so many different will be. See, certain means 100%. 100% is happening. Here, more likely means more than 90% will be. And equally likely, 50-50 chances. Equally likely means 50-50 chances will be. Less likely means 20 to 30, 35 percentage. Impossible, not possible, like 0 percentage, like 0 percentage. This is impossible events. These are all are different events. These are all are different events. Okay. After that, we'll discuss here mean equally likely, less likely, equally likely. Okay, say for example, taking a coin. For example, taking a coin. Already you know, head and tail. Head and tail. This is a equally likely. This is a equally likely. First of all, probability means what? Probability means like a chance for winning, for losing. We have equal chances will be. For example, I am tossing a coin, but we know what is coming, we know. Maybe head, maybe tail. But which one exact will come? Maybe tail only will come, we don't know. Maybe head only will come, we don't know. But which one will come, we know. Exact next tail only coming, we don't know. Head only coming, we don't know. Okay, that is called probability. Okay, that is called probability. Okay, probability means these all are random experiment and outcomes. Random experiment and outcomes. Say for example, what they are saying means if you try to start a scooter, what are the possible outcomes? Scooter, we have scooter or we have a bike. Starting means maybe start or unstart, maybe start or unstart. Okay, like that will be. These all are like probability only, These all are certain, likely, equally likely, less likely, and impossible events. Okay, say what they are saying means if you try to start a scooter, what are the possible outcomes? Means maybe start, maybe not starting. Two outcomes will be. Next, when you roll a die, what are the 6 possible outcomes? Die. Okay, we are rolling a die. First of all, we will discuss coin after die. Okay, say here coin means see already you know head and tail. Already we know, every day we are seeing these are all. For coin means we have 2 chances. We are getting how many outcomes? Head or tail. These all are the chances for one coin. Okay, these all are the chances for one coin. One coin tossing means it is possible one head or one tail. One coin means maybe 2 coins means what happening? 2 coins means what happening? 2 coins. See, 2 coins we are tossing means what are possible outcomes means head possible or not? Head possible. Head. Next, tail head possible. Tail possible. Head tail possible. Okay, head tail possible. Tail head possible. Means 2 coins are tossing. Then head possible. Head possible. Tail possible. Head tail possible. Tail head possible. For tossing 2 coins means. Next, 3 coins. 3 coins means which are possible? See, head, head, head. 3 heads possible or not? Possible. 3 heads possible. 3 tails possible. 3 heads possible. 3 tails possible. Next, H, H, T. Next, H, T, H. Next, T, H, H. Okay, like that only. T, T, H. T, H, T. H, T, T. H, T, T. 3 coins tossing means these are all the outcomes. 3 coins tossing means all 3 heads, 3 tails, 2 heads, 1 tail, and head, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many outcomes? 8 outcomes are possible when 3 coins tossing. 3 coins tossing means. For say, okay, no problem. 1 coin means head and tail only. 2 coins means 4 only. 3 coins means 8. Maybe 4 coins, 5 coins, 6 coins, 7 coins means what should do? We want a shortcut. What is the shortcut? See how many coins? The formula for finding outcomes 2 power n. 2 power n. N means the number of coins. N means the number of coins. Here how many coins? 2 power 1 means 2 only. Head and tail. Here for 2 coins means 2 square. 2 square means 2 2s are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 2. How many coins here? 3 coins. So 2 cubed means 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So 8. Okay. 8 coins will be like that. 2 power n is the formula. 2 power n is the formula. Okay. We discussed today's class here coins. Next class we will discuss remaining problems like die. Okay. Next rotating circle ones. We will discuss next remaining part. Thank you children. Thank you.